Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the latest onboarding updates from Wipro, as there is a very good news for all the freshers who are waiting for Wipro onboarding and the students of Wipro Elite phase students. So we are going to discuss the complete details in this video, that is what is the recent or the latest mail, that is the verification mail the students has received and what they have to do next, and what about the rejection mail news that was going on from past few days, and if you have not got that, then in that case what you have to do, and even if you have got that rejection mail, then in that case also what you have to do. Even though you have got the rejection mail, don't worry, you can get your joining in Wipro if you do a particular procedure. So make sure to watch the video till complete end, as we are going to discuss all the onboarding related information in this video. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on our channel. You can see that we regularly upload interview experience on our channel, the latest interview experience of the ongoing interviews as well as the onboarding information on our channel. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and to see more such videos you can also check the playlist section of our channel. So let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, the first information is Wipro is sending verification email, and that is a good news for the students. That is, since the verification has now started, which means that the joining will soon happen, as they have mentioned previously that the joining will take place in the month of December and January. So let's see what is the mail and what is the information the Wipro has sent. So basically, before looking at the mail, let's have some few points. First of all, so in previously what has happened is Wipro has terminated the onboarding, or delayed, basically Wipro has delayed the onboarding as well as terminated the onboarding of freshers for more than 6 months now. As you might have already know that many of you are waiting from the Wipro onboarding from more than 6 to 7 months, right? So Wipro has done this from a very long time. So there is a light of hope now, as some elite phase candidates. So make sure elite phase candidates have started receiving the background verification email, wherein you will be asked to upload your 10th, 12th and graduation certificates. So make sure that your 10th, 12th and graduation certificates are ready so that you can upload them, and make sure that all are above the passing criteria, or Wipro will find another reason to terminate you. So make sure that whatever are the documents that you are uploading, they are up to the criteria, and you don't do any mistakes while uploading them, or there is nothing wrong in that. So that if there is something wrong while uploading your documents, or if they are not getting approved, Wipro will have another reason to terminate you. So don't give them any reason and upload your proper documents. So this is an advice from us. So we advise candidates to stay safe and only upload fully correct docs. If anything goes wrong, gets uploaded, then Wipro can send direct termination mail by looking at the previous trends. So this is a very big advice to all of you, that please do not upload your documents until they are fully correct. If they are fully correct, then only upload, otherwise Wipro will send you definitely termination mail, and they will have another reason for not onboarding you. So please don't commit this kinds of mistake. If you have any doubts related to anything, you can ask in the comment section. There are many students who have recently joined Wipro and who are going to join Wipro in the upcoming months, and they will guide you what and how you have to do in a particular procedure. So you can ask in the comment, and I will also reply to your comments. Moving next, so this is the mail that the students have received. So dear student, this is regarding some elements of background verification in your Wipro recruitment process. We have a few questions and clarifications. To take the process forward, please provide the clarification by clicking on the below link. Your resume ID is this. So this is the link they have provided. So you have to go to ICIMS background verification, fill more details. We request you to respond within 2 business days of receiving this mail. The clarification required is with regard to education, how to access, click on forget your login or password, and password test link will be emailed to you. Please enter this email ID to receive password reset link. If you have forgot your password, in that case you have to do this. New hire help desk, if you have any clarification, required assistance, contact the help desk. So you can see the help desk information here. So basically you have to click on this link and you have to fill your details. So make sure you fill the correct details. So now some of the previously information that we have got, that some of the students have got the rejection mail. So let's see what was that information. So Wipro has what happened previously between the 10th or 15th of November. So Wipro has delayed the onboarding of freshers from more than 6 months of now, as we have already discussed. Now Elite and Turbo candidates has received direct termination email without any notice. These candidates had passed the technical interviews and test, and then they have got the selection. After selection, they completed 2 months internship also and completed the assessment, but their onboarding was delayed by 6 months, and now some of them are started to receive termination mail. So what to do in that case? But don't worry if you have also received that. We have seen many students who have received termination mail. What they have done is, when the students replied that their assessment went well, and they gave the justification over the email that just that please recheck, and we cannot be terminated as we have not committed any mistakes during our assessment. And then when they replied such, in 1 or 2 days they got the reply back that yes, your termination is taken back and now you can join on the next joining date. So don't worry about this. If you have also got this kind of mail, please make sure that you reply to them with proper justification. So in that case you will not have any problems. And this was the rejection mail. This is the sample rejection mail that the students have got. So dear associate, thank you for participating in Wipro's hiring process. We regret to inform you that we cannot take your candidature forward as you have not been compliant to Wipro assessment guidelines. Wishing you all the best for your future career endeavors. So this was the mail students by some candidates. Also, some of the students have received this mail also, wherein they have not completed their profiles on ICIEMS portal. So you can get this kind of mail that we have found that you have not yet completed your profile in ICIEMS. Please complete your profile to continue with the next steps in hiring process. So you have to click on this link and you have to complete your details. This link will take you to the Wipro ICIEMS page, and there you can fill all of your details and complete your details. Warm regards, Team Wipro. This means that they are ready to. So if you are getting all of these mails, this shows that they are ready to now onboard students in the upcoming months, as they have said in the recent news. So make sure that you upload all the correct and relevant details, and if any of the details on the ICIEMS portal is not updated, make sure to update that too. Now moving ahead, this was the latest information. If you have any other news or any other information, please make sure to let others know in the comment section, as there are many students who are waiting for the onboarding of Wipro. And if you have any doubts related to the document verification or anything related to Wipro onboarding, you can ask in the comment section, as there are many who has recently joined, so they can clearly guide you how you can follow the steps. So if you have doubts, make sure to ask in the comment section. Join us on different social media platforms and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates. Thank you and all the best. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.